How to ask reason for calling on iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option. Now scroll down again and navigate to phone and tap on it, and now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down to the Screen Unknown Callers tab and you will see the option for Ask Reason for Calling. So go ahead and select the Ask Reason for Calling option you see there, and with this, reason will be asked for the callers. So this is how you can use the Ask Reason for Calling feature in iOS 26. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.